Hey Campoholic fans, today we're going to talk about how to clean your Maxxair vent. It gets clogged up with bugs, debris, dirt, dust, maybe even some grease being located right here in the kitchen area.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campoholics.
But real simple. These turn. These tabs turn. And you pull your screen out. That reveals, of course, the fan. Like I said, I already cleaned the screen with the little dish soap and water. Scrubbed it down. And now I'm going to set it aside to dry off. Gotta have fly swatter because flies are in the campground are bad. Yeah. Okay. Alright, you take your Allen wrench. Come over here, love. Put it in here, back it out, and the fan comes right down. Notice how dirty it is up in there, greasy.
It's hard to see because of the sun.
Yeah. Of course, on your fan blades, a lot of gunk and grime and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and wash this up, and then we'll put our fan all back together. All right, you see the grime and grease up in there. So we're going to spick and span this, clean it all up.
Here, cancel spick and span.
All right, we tried spick and span, but it wasn't really cutting the grease. So we use this stuff called Totally Awesome. LA's Totally Awesome, as seen on TV. You get it at Dollar General.
Dollar General for $1.
$1. And it's taking it right off. Alright, with any cleaning project, of course, it's going to keep on going. So what I'll do is I'll go in the exterior, take this cover off and bring it in and clean it. Take those 6 screws out and on. And of course, it's going to go up. And like I explained to you, if you're outside spraying this with a cleaner and you hit the rain sensor, it will close on you. So make sure you just take it off, bring it in, clean it, and then wipe it all down from that point. So don't try to spray the cleaner on it and have the rain sensor be hit and it closes on you. Been there, done that, and it's a pain in the butt to fix it. So let's go up on the roof. All right, we've got the cover off the closure bar, and we're going to wipe all this down. I'm not going to take it off because you have to pull the hinge pin out, so we'll do away with that step. We'll just go ahead and clean it as it is, but again, avoid the rain sensor. So here we go. All right, we're pretty cleaned up. Got all the grease off of it. Top side looks good. By the way, there's my videographer, Hunter Wilson, aka the ladies man. All right, let's put this thing back together and close her up. Don't over tighten. It is plastic. Okay, man, good on the inside or the outside? Do not over tighten. hinge on. All right, we're all cleaned up.
Yeah. I do have Italian.
All right, let's go back down on this on the bottom side and finish it up. All right, we selected the vent only option. Make sure the fan's still off because you're going to reattach your blade. So our vent's open. Just clean the top of it or the shield. So we're going to go ahead and close the vent. Vent close. And as you can see, our Maxxair fan enclosure is pretty clean compared to the grease monster it was.
Oh yeah, look at the roof. The vent. So that's nasty.
Yeah. All right, so we'll put this thing back together. You got your fan on there, and just tighten up your screw. Which can be a little cumbersome because it is small. You have a little area to work in. Alright, this is nice and tight. Now you have your screen. All you gotta do is match up these. Make sure these are turned outward. So she snaps into place easily. Then all you gotta do is give them a turn in. Turn it in, turn it in, turn it in, and then turn it in. All right, so there it is. It's nice and clean. We're going to give it a test. Fan on. And she goes. So there you go. There's how you clean your Maxxair fan. Step-by-step procedure. It's not that difficult. All in all, it's a 20 to 30 minute project, depending upon how dirty your fan is. I did this last October, the whole thing, and in the spring I just cleaned the screen off. So you can see how dirty it gets. Primarily probably from cooking breakfast in here, but also we leave this thing running during the daytime when we're at dry dock or at home with the windows open, just to keep the heat at a low level here in the camper, as our fridge is always plugged in. But anyway, so that's how you clean your Maxxair fan. And if you like what you see, subscribe below, ring the bell for notifications for more tips and tricks on camping and your camper, and follow us, the Campoholics. Every day is once in a lifetime.